Porch ceiling color choices carry both practical value and cultural meaning, so pick hues that respect tradition and perform outdoors. When selecting a porch ceiling shade, start with light blues or pale greens, which historically are used to reflect light and create a feeling of sky overhead, while helping homeowners who follow the Haint blue tradition feel connected to that cultural practice. Choose exterior grade, mildew-resistant paint formulated for ceilings and overhangs, because these surfaces get moisture exposure and need binders that resist chalking. For finish, pick a semi-gloss or satin so the surface is easier to clean and resists dirt pickup, yet still hides minor texture differences. Flat sheens hide imperfections but are harder to wash. Proper surface preparation is critical, so scrape loose paint, sand glossy areas. Prime any bare wood with a compatible exterior primer and allow full cure times between coats to prevent peeling. Ensure ventilation behind soffits and overhangs, and maintain gutters and roofline flashings to reduce moisture loading that causes paint failure. If insect deterrence is a concern, test a small patch first, because perceived effects vary and other factors like light type and surrounding vegetation influence insect behavior. Common mistakes include using interior ceiling paint that fails quickly outside, so use only exterior formulations and prime bare areas first. Another issue is choosing a dark, saturated blue, which can show heat stress and fading on horizontal surfaces, so opt for lighter tones and ultraviolet resistant pigments. A third frequent problem is poor surface prep and trapped moisture from blocked soffit vents, which leads to peeling and mildew. Clear debris from vents, repair flashing, and allow full drying before painting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like exterior painting, so we can find local professionals and share real-world experiences. Our community discussion boards let us ask questions, read other homeowner stories, and learn which approaches worked for porch ceilings and insect concerns.